Hi and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you another simple breakfast recipe or idea or video or something, whatever you call it. Okay, so this is very simple and I'm going to be making two different recipes, like two different ideas here. So the first one, I'm going to start cutting my sliced bread. You can use any sliced bread of your choice to make this. Okay, so it's a Valentine's Day or special occasion breakfast. So you want to make it like, you want to show the person that love, your couple, your spouse, that's, that love. So I'm going to use my heart cutter to cut the bread, then we'll proceed. So I'm done cutting off the heart shape that I want. You can cut as many as you want, guys. So this is the one I'm going to be making with egg, and the other one we're going to be making French toast with that one. So here I'm adding extra virgin of olive oil on my pan. Allow the pan to heat up a bit, then I'm going to break the egg into that heart shape, guys. I'm sorry, I didn't know that my camera was off when I was adding breaking the egg into the bread over the pan. So it's what it is. So now I'm making the mixture for the French toast. I'm not going to be using vanilla on this French toast, guys. I'm going to be using only cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. Trust me, guys, this was amazing. Like, I love this French toast even more than the ones I add vanilla into. You need to give this what is it called, nutmeg and cinnamon a try. You will love it. So I'm done mixing that egg milk and the cinnamon with nutmeg. I'm dipping my bread into that mixture now, so make sure you cut the bread very well. Okay, so I'm making 4 hearts of that. You can make as much as you want. Okay, so for the bread here, I'm turning them over. Like I said, I'm sorry, I didn't know that my camera was off when I was breaking in the egg, like when I was adding the egg. So if you are the type that love eating half cooked egg, you don't need to turn them over. But me, I don't like it. Okay, it's my choice, guys. Okay, so I'm going to turn them over and allow them to stay there for 3 minutes. Then I'll take them off the pan. So into the same pan, I made this gorgeous breakfast, bread and egg breakfast. I'm going to be adding my butter for the French toast. So as you can see, I'm adding enough butter because you need enough butter into that hot pan. So now I'm going to be adding my bread, my heart-shaped French toast, and I'm going to toast both sides, and that takes a couple of minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes, to get each side ready. So guys, as you can see, this is ready. The breakfast is ready. It takes just few minutes to put together, and who wouldn't appreciate this breakfast, guys? Especially on a special occasion, Valentine, anniversary, birthday, name them, or you just want to treat your spouse very nice. Just, who wouldn't appreciate it, guys? Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. God bless you. Bye.